In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word not responding in Windows 11. If Word keeps freezing, crashing, or showing that not responding message, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through practical things you can try on your Windows 11 computer to get Word working smoothly again. Follow along step by step, and feel free to pause the video as you go. First, let's start with the simplest fix. Closing Word properly and reopening it. If Word is frozen, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In the Processes tab, look for Microsoft Word, select it, and choose End Task. This completely shuts down Word in the background. After that, reopen Word and see if the issue is gone. Sometimes, a clean restart is all it takes. If Word still isn't responding, the next thing to check is whether Windows and Office are fully updated. On Windows 11, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and install any available updates. Then, open another Office app like Excel or PowerPoint. Go to the Account or File menu, and look for an Update Options button. Run Office updates from there. Outdated software can easily cause freezing and compatibility issues. Next, we'll try starting Word in safe mode to see if an add-in or customization is causing the problem. Hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and then click the Word icon. When a prompt appears asking if you want to start Word in safe mode, choose Yes. If Word works fine in safe mode, that usually means a problematic add-in is to blame. To disable add-ins, open Word normally, go to the File menu, then Options, and navigate to the Add-ins section. At the bottom, change the Manage drop-down to COM Add-ins and click Go. Uncheck all add-ins, then restart Word. If Word now responds correctly, you can turn add-ins back on one at a time until you find the one causing the issue. If you're still having trouble, try repairing your Office installation. Open the Control Panel or the Apps section in Windows Settings. Find Microsoft Office in the list. Select it, and choose Modify or Repair. Start with a quick repair, and if that doesn't solve it, run an online repair, understanding that it may take longer and require an internet connection. Finally, if a specific document always causes Word to freeze, the file itself may be corrupted. Try opening Word first, then going to File, Open, and choosing the corrupted file using the Open and Repair option from the drop-down next to the Open button. By carefully going through these steps, you should be able to resolve most not responding issues in Microsoft Word on Windows 11 and get back to your work without interruptions.